Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make a super easy, super quick salad dressing using almost all pantry staples and featuring Chef Lawrence's spicy Italian seasoning. You can throw this over a traditional salad. We are gonna toss it into a tortellini pasta salad after this. And everything is just gonna go in this mason jar and you're gonna shake it up. So in the jar, we've got olive oil, vinegar, honey, mustard, garlic, lemon, salt and pepper, a little bit of thyme, and of course our spicy Italian. You can mix this up however you like, but we're gonna cap it up, give it a good shake until it's all really nice and emulsified, and pour it over whatever you're making. So with our dressing, I threw mine in with some tortellini, pearl mozzarella, some delicious little cherry tomatoes, red onion, and fresh basil, and some cured meats. You could throw it in with chicken, you could throw it over regular greens, whatever floats your boat. Keep a jar of this in your fridge at all times. It's perfect. So tangy. The mustard and the honey are balancing everything out great. Thanks for coming by. As always, you can find these recipes and so many more on Spiceology.com. And if you experiment with this one, don't forget to tag us so we can check it out.